What is up? It is actually the next day and I can explain. We got everything put into the front suspension and something happened, of course. So I decided to stop and let me show you guys what happened. So where I left off yesterday was putting on this bracket, and as soon as I was doing that, I didn't have any issues putting the bolt into this one, but these two right here, I actually stripped them. So I decided to stop and wait until today because everything was closed by the time I got to this point. So the solution to that was to go out and find a tap and die set. I found this at Harbor Freight. It was like 40 bucks, but it comes with like everything you need and more. So you never know, I might need this again, so I decided to buy that. Then I also had to buy a 3/8 drill bit. I'm not sure if I had this, but just in case, I bought it because I didn't want to leave the house again. So that is where I'm gonna pick up, and hopefully we can fix that and bolt these back up. Should be able to work. Hopefully, something always happens. So let's get to this and move on to the rears. So I finally put threads on the second one and it works like a glove. I'm gonna put everything back on and we should be moving on to the rears. And I can't wait because I am so done with the front. Here we have the rear strut assembly. This is the spring that was in the bucket. And then the strut right here. This strut is a lot longer than how the BC Coilovers came. So I think I'm gonna keep it just like this. I measured from the top of the collar to the bottom and it was about 6 inches. Same with this one, they're the same. This one is a lot longer than the BC, so I'm just gonna put it on like this. I feel like we might have to raise it up just a little bit, but we'll see. It might be a good drop, I don't know, but we're gonna put them just like this, and then we should be done with the coilover install. It does come with extenders right here for the dampening. I don't think I'm gonna put these on, maybe if I do have to adjust them and I find these easier, but for now I already adjusted the dampening for the rears. So I went all the way to soft and then I clicked 15 towards hard, which is right in the middle. It has 30 clicks, so we're just gonna see how the middle is. If I don't like it, I'll adjust it softer or harder, but we're gonna keep it right at half. It should be pretty good. So let's go on to installing these and we should be done. Let's go. If you guys can't see, I'm sweating bullets. We're finally done. I'm gonna go around and tighten everything in the front. I pretty much tightened everything in the back, but we're finally done. Let's put the wheels on. We'll drop the car. And we'll see how it looks. That thing's gonna look so good. Let's go. I'm about to drop the car. It's gonna be on 4 wheels. Let's see how it looks. I'm kind of nervous, kind of excited. Let's do it. Slow down, bruh. Yo, that is way too low. I can't even fit, I can fit one finger. I can't fit two. Yo, that is fucking slammed. Holy shit. What? Oh, this is insane. Look, there's no more gap. I can't even fit two fingers in there. I can only fit one, which is crazy. Look how low it is to the ground. I think it is way too low, but let me know down in the comments. I don't even know if I'm able to drive this, if it's gonna rub or anything, because I do have big tires on the car. But let's see if there's any problems. I'm gonna torque down the wheels. Let me show you the rear. The rear could probably go down just a little bit. I mean, I could fit two fingers, but it still looks pretty good to me. But it is not as low as the front, which is insane. Both sides, the driver's side and the passenger side, look the same. They look like just about the same height. Shit! Yo, the fronts are crazy. Oh my gosh. So we're gonna go for a test drive and see how it feels. Hopefully we have no rubbing issues. I think I might have to raise the fronts. You guys let me know. I think it looks sick, but I don't know if it's gonna rub or not. The rears, I think I'm gonna drop it probably like 1.5 inches to 1/4 inch, just because there's still a pretty decent amount of gap. But let's go for a test drive and see how it feels. This looks insane. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. Little bit of tuck. Let's go for a ride. It's gonna be pretty dark in here, but I do have a pretty big dip in my driveway, like a curb, so hopefully I don't. So far, I'm turning the wheel. No scrape. No. Ooh. All right, we scraped a little bit, but so far no rubbing. I am sweating like crazy. This AC feels so good. Jeez, this suspension feels so good, yo. Oh, I think we're rubbing. Yeah, I think we're rubbing somewhere. I think in the front. Right here. Yep. Oh. Yep. We have to raise the front. Probably like 1/2 inch. Yep. We're going back home because we're rubbing pretty bad when we go on little bumps. Pretty sure it's the front because I don't hear anything in the back. The back wasn't that low. Oh, can you guys hear that? See, yeah, we're rubbing pretty bad. God, I'm going back home because we got to get this fixed ASAP. But it looks so good. Lowered. We're gonna have to raise the front up probably like 1.5 inches to 1/4 inch, maybe 1/4 inch. But yeah, I'll catch you guys when I'm back inside. So that is gonna be the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that. This install literally kicked my ass. I have bruises everywhere. I hit my hand everywhere, my shoulder. I don't know, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just remember, if you're intimidated to do any project on your car, any install, just do your research, do it yourself, and you'll be happy at the end of the day. But with that being said, Daniel, I forgot your last name. I don't know. Look out for a DM from me. I'm gonna get all your information to ship out this double dim for you. Congrats. But I can't get over how insane this looks. I can't even fit two fingers in not even one. It's, you can tell where it's rubbing because the tire is kind of has a mark, and it's definitely hitting the fender. But that looks insane. I'm gonna have to lift that up. Probably like an inch and a half. I don't know, we're gonna see. But the rears I think are perfect. I don't think I'm gonna touch these. I can't even fit 2 fingers in there. It's like 1.5. So the rears are perfect. They look good. Plus with the spacers, this looks insane. Same with the fronts. There's like a little bit of camber in the front, which looks so good. Same right here. 1.5 fingers, insane. But the fronts are crazy. I wish I could keep it like this, but I can't. It's a lot of rubbing. My tires are way too big. But yeah. I'll see you guys in my next video. Hopefully we end up going to Tuner Evo. I think that would be insane. I'll record the whole trip and the event because it's like 3 hours away, so why not go for like one day? But we'll have to see. I'm gonna have to talk to Shay. I think we might go. So I'll take you guys along. Anyways, peace out, stay safe, stay healthy, go to the gym, take a walk, do something, find a new passion, something that makes you happy. Making videos and working on my car is something I enjoy, even though I'm in here sweating like crazy. But that is enough of me talking. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.